let's get to it. Let's get it all back together. I'm the clutch master, oil on my sleeves, that's standard. Rain in my face, I'm laughing. Jack it up, quick wheels off, no stalling. Gearbox dropping, hands in the dark, still locked in. Cold wind cutting through the overalls. I don't quit till the problem's gone. I'm the clutch master, no one's better than me. In the rain, in the mud, I just fix with your brain. Get to it, let's get it all back together. You break down, I make it run forever. Clutch master, no one's better than me. From the floor to the flywheel, all eyes on me. Get to it, let's get it all back together. You rolling broken, drive out better. Milwaukee tool man, light up the bay. Trigger in my hand, rust give way. Spanners, hammer, rat in the tray. Sockets in line like soldiers obey. Rain on the roof, I'm under the frame. Grease on the ground, spell out my name. Bolt by bolt, I rewrite fate. It'll come back with that perfect.
Fuck's sake. I was just recording halfway through it and then the wife decided to rock up in the kitchen and start bollock fucking naked while I was recording, so right, start again. Right, anyway, so the lighting's a bit shit here. That light don't work, the electrics are fucked. But I just want to show you something. I'm going to put a torch on my phone. Right, so what do you reckon of these mugs? What these made up? That's going to be my new sign writing on the van. I'm getting that done when I go on holiday. August, yeah, the August holiday, not September one. Yeah, the August one. I've got that one there as well. Just got the single logo, and also I've got these as well. They're like coaster slate things. Like the print has come out amazing on that. And then I've got that one as well. To be fair, it's weird because I prefer that as a coaster, but on the mug I do prefer that. I do think that looks a lot better. But no, you never know. I've got a load of key rings coming and shit like that, just for like testers, just to see what it looks like and the quality. You never know, in years to come, get more followers. What the fucking hell was that floating in that tank? What the fuck is that? Shit with an air bubble in it. Yeah, the size of that. What the fuck? I thought it was a fucking seals. But yeah, you never know. Get some more subscribers, or someone, or my subscribers now might like something like that. But they're really good quality, man. I'm really happy how they come out. Like, really, really good quality. But what I'll do, I'll wait them through the dishwasher, see how they hold up. I can't drink out of that, man. I'm well OCD, believe it or not. Considering how much of a dirty job I've got, I am OCD clean, mate. I think it's because I've got such a dirty job. But yeah, anyway, so this is my setup. This is all my charging shit that I charge. Not that. Obviously, I do my recording stuff. That is my editing laptop. And this one is my music for the montages. Yeah, I've probably got fucking hell, there's hundreds of songs on there that I've not even put on the montage yet. I am trying to keep the songs clutch related. I know it's a lot of them sound a bit big-headed. There's no one better than me, all that shit. But it's only a song, mate. It's only for a montage. I don't think I'm the best in the world. Also, I think I'm alright at what I do. And a lot of views agree I'm good at what I do. So, and I'm very quick at doing it as well. It's only because of experience, isn't it? Years and years and years of doing the same old shit. What are you expecting? It's my spinny chair. Whee! Oh god, that makes me feel sick. Whoa, fuck that. Whoa. Don't do circles. But yeah, what do you reckon? Yeah, time to come. I'll get a new uniform made up as well. We're nearly there with that. T-shirts and stuff. See how that comes out. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you a few of my bits and bobs. All my bits and bobs, obviously. Lewis van. I've got out of a what is it? Some market the other day. Yeah, 3D printing, isn't it? £7. Phone holder, perfect. But yeah, so I thought I'd just show you a few bits and bobs. When the keyrings turn up, I don't know. I've got 2 different types coming up. They're not for like another week or something like that. But yes, right. I'll see you soon, people. Have a good one. Bye bye.
get to it. Let's get it all back together. You rolling broken, drive out better. Who you call when it slips? Me. Who you call when it grinds? Me. When the bike point gone and the revs just climb, you know who's on time. That's me. In the rain, in the cold, in the